What is it? Is it a plane? Is it a plane? Yeah? Alright, sit. Sit. Yeah. Speak. Speak. Yeah. Speak. Oh, good boy. Speak. Yeah. You want the airplane? Now? Yeah. Speak. Good boy. Speak. Yeah, good boy. Okay, get ready. Speak. Here it comes. Come on, kids. Let's get another flight out of the plane before we kill it. Come on. Alright, Pablo. Another flight? Huh? Are you ready? Sit. 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 Now speak. Sit. Oh, very exciting. Speak. 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 Yeah. Speak. Good boy. Get ready. Here, Pablo, bring it. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Way to keep it away from your sister. Whoa. We are getting another flight out of this. Oh, one more, I think. Are you ready? Sit. Sit. Sit, Pablo. Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Good girl, Holly. Good girl.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. That was cute. Speak. 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 Yeah. Speak. Okay. Go.
Ferocious Whitey.
Not sure about that, Pablo. Look at that. Holly, share your plane with your brother. There you go. You want it, Pablo? Sit. Sit. Pablo, sit. Good boy. Speak. 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 Are you going to speak? Good boy. Speak one more time. Speak. Speak. No, not speaking. Pablo, sit.
Good girl, Holly.
Good girl, Holly. Sit, Pablo. Sit. Yeah. Speak. Speak. Good boy.
There
Speak.
you go.
There you go.
Off the cartridge.
Get it, Papa. Get it. She hockey checks him out of the way. All right. We'll give you half and you half. Holly. Holly, your brother didn't take it. There's no need to beat him up. Here you go, Holly.